How can lanthanides be separated? Ion exchange and solvent methods. Ion exchange method. This method is based on the steady decrease in the size and a decrease in basicity causes the increase with increasing the atomic number in the binding of ligands. When a mixture of lanthanide ions passing through the column of cation exchange resin, the heavier lanthanides ions come through the first lanthanum cation exchange resin. Heavier lanthanides combine with the resin and H plus aqueous releasing. According to law of mass action, K value we can find out the concentration of the products by concentration of the reactants. Concentration of products we are taking the LNR and H plus the three coefficient comes under the power of the H here. Here H power 3 ln or 3 here also here same ln 3 plus HR power 3. The ratio of ln R3 by ln plus 3 decreasing with the increasing the atomic number and K values decreases. Here a synthetic ion exchange reagent with the COOH and SO3H functional group is packed in the column, a column on fixed in a vertical position. When a solution of mixture of lanthanides ion is allowed to the flow through the column, the lanthanide ions M plus 3 replaced by the H plus ions of the functional groups. Here 3H resin lanthanides here M resin with the lanthanides and 3H plus here. Attraction of Ln plus 3 ions towards the resin is as follows: the Ln plus 3 and cerium plus 3 and yttrium plus 3 and lutetium plus 3. This is the decreasing order. Next one we are going to see is the solvent extraction method. It is based on the difference is the partition of coefficient of the salts of these metals between water and organic solvent. Using this technique, gadolinium nitrate can be separated from the lanthanum nitrate by continuous extraction with the water from the solution of Ln plus 3 salts in TBB tributyl phosphate. It is because the partition coefficient of gadolinium nitrate between the water and tributyl phosphate is 1.06 times greater than that of the lanthanum nitrate. So these are the methods to separate the lanthanides. So once again, just you have to see how can the lanthanides can be separated: ion exchange and solvent method. This is the ion exchange method. Here synthetic method and solvent extraction method. In solvent extraction method, here what is the important point you have to remember? Gadolinium nitrate we have to remember here by the partition coefficient, based on the partition coefficient. Here resin, lanthanides, lanthanide combined with the resin, easily we can separate the synthetic method here. So remember, this is the important question. So separation of lanthanides.